Now, back to the issue. If, while waiting for amendment of the Enabling Act, such that certain matters can also go to the Supreme Court, there is a solution here. The Supreme Court has taken a decision as it affects the governor.
Yes.
In the process of deciding the issue of the governor, Supreme Court made issues on the decision of the Court of Appeal as it affects the other parties who never had legally their opportunity to go to the Supreme Court. Now, even in normal cases, we used to refer to the words of justices of Supreme Court, which are not part of the main judgment, to convince a court of lower jurisdiction on why it should toe the same line. We do that. So if they go back, those affected by the decision of the Court of Appeal who couldn't appeal to the Supreme Court, go back to the Court of Appeal with an application for the Court of Appeal to review its decision. Some will say you are appealing to the court. No. If, for instance, because I've read the judgment of the Supreme Court, it rubbished the reason and the decision of the Court of Appeal, and even refer to a decision in other matters that the Court of Appeal ought to have added to, because there is what we call rules. What do you call it? The decision of a superior court must be followed when a junior court or inferior court is hearing the same matter on the same issue. The Court of Appeal in a plethora of cases have said a party cannot complain about how the primaries of another party was conducted. We are aware of this before this matter. So why will the justices of the Court of Appeal pay, in the particular one in issue, pay blind eyes to this, act like they are not aware of this? I don't know what was presented to the court. I'm aware that an appeal is based on what has happened in the lower court. Now, the law also allows you, if something very important has happened in the lower court, because you cannot bring in fresh issue, you can apply, and if you have special basis and convincing reason, to introduce a new issue, which was not there at the trial court before you file an appeal, and it will be allowed. So the issues are clear. We must get out of this long jam.
Well,
the way to get out of it is not through illegality. It's not through self-help. It has to be through the same legal way.
Okay. When you say the issues are clear, for an issue that is clear, it's taking us a heck of a time to take action on it and be able to move forward. What put us in this logjam is clear. Everybody can understand that. It is getting out of it that perhaps is less so. But sorry, sir.